Why keep paying $30 a month for one AI video tool when you don't have to? Here are 5 AI tools that do everything that $30 tool does, and together, they cost you just $29 a month. Not each, all 5, in one single dashboard link in the description below. Let's get into it. Tool 1, Claude. First up, Claude. This is your writing brain, the tool that turns a blank page into a finished script. You tell it the video you want to make, the tone, the length, who it's for, and it writes the whole thing in your voice. Hooks, titles, outlines, even the exact words your avatar reads out loud. What used to take an hour of staring at a document now takes about 30 seconds. If writing is the part you dread, this is the tool that erases it. Tool 2, ChatGPT. Number 2, ChatGPT, your idea machine. Before you ever write a script, you need something worth making, and this is where that starts. Trending angles, topics your competitors are sleeping on, thumbnail concepts, title variations to test. You can literally ask it, "What should my next 10 videos be about?" And it hands you a content calendar. It kills the guesswork, so you're never sitting there at the start of the week wondering what to post. Tool 3, Gemini. Number 3, Gemini. Google's model is unmatched when it comes to real information. Feed it a stack of articles, a research paper, or your own messy notes, and it turns all of it into clean, accurate talking points you can actually say on camera. For anything fact-based news, tutorials, explainers, this is the tool that makes sure you sound like you know what you're talking about. Because now, you actually do. Tool 4, VEO3. Number 4, VEO3, and this is where it gets fun. Type a single sentence and get a cinematic video clip back. B-roll, intros, transitions, entire scenes, no camera, no crew, no location, no stock footage fees. Need a shot of a city skyline at sunset? A close-up of coffee being poured? Describe it, and it's yours in seconds. This is the tool that makes a channel run by one person look like a full production studio. Tool 5, 11 Labs. And number 5, 11 Labs, the best AI voices on the planet. Narration, voiceovers, character voices, dozens of languages. You can even clone your own voice, so every video sounds exactly like you, even the ones you never actually sat down to record. Pair this with your avatar, and you've got a face and a voice that can publish videos while you sleep that. Now here's the catch. Normally each of these is its own login, its own monthly bill, its own tab you're flipping between just to finish one video. 5 subscriptions, and it adds up fast, way more than $30 a month. So instead of all that, everything I just showed you lives in one single dashboard. Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, VEO3, 11 Labs, one place, one login, $29 for all of it. No tab switching, no 5 separate bills. I dropped the link in the description if you want to try it yourself. Save this so you don't lose it, and follow for more. I'll see you in the next one.